Ya chogwa ke nyam cho kon dia ler gon dia le konten. Society dan goro bane share ko duk tungwan. Anu me gwi rana mo de society look goro be you contribute.
Hello.
Tede.
Mala ba lang mal li cha ya tiang mala.
Nei tiang ya tiang man.
Mal me yin mal de long. Nen
Okay.
nang ye go.
Ya na ne go.
Ya ya. Anu be kon ko liem no da mana na kong ba kon ko le join ni. You I just sent him a message but he's around. So don't mo kon join.
Yen. Chogwa long.
Nang ye de ka hot weather ma today che le long wala.
A lot of this.
Eh
Chele ga gambel.
na gambe na go de no te air condition
Yeah,
dia.
technology loga na kapai. Elite way the lot.
Like it's very amazing. Get on with each other. Sometimes I wonder like how long bakonang go bakonang choke.
No. Ikaw naman control.
They got a joke. Gotta take a long time. But
Ci bene Yesu ne liam ke Kristian ibu benda yang baru kalau par. Ceng
I
mel.
think sad days and that
Cuma pinjam
you know
ko jin out time very important ke ling ne. Law they are very fast.
yeah.
Let ke long kon gwa mi tumu kol ran ke ran mi ran ke mede kon ke chuk. But ngode
That's
ken kon ke pet ke la de telet ken ke kon gwa mi we are very slow ka Africa. Don't
very true.
know dino muanga kon la ketica lelet kan
Yeah.
ken galelo go ko ngot kala na shep ci ngot ke shep
Very true. Very true. We just train it on train line it on a pay again a lot of time curve that makes corona to all. They down there like take a traffic midi long ko la train la jela ga char jela tarbiya la ga but chicken la de lo jela ga nyal tel tarbiya la gal ke chicken la ga galong it's like just 5 years got audience chicken tu ke le it's amazing
kan tar gen o bam de midi lat ka gwa mi chet
yeah
conservative very important when dorm let ken ke libu conservative of human being be ken yi consider jenen
very true
jenen channel longa ka kano ya de be ngok big led di ka dom kwa mi chimandong dien bi ya lo yeah go
nah it very good ka jen ku nguni ko nguti kwa la let ka cha ga gur ku la ngut ko by what the point ko and then aro de ta me ko lo ne ke 2016 ka Africa te warga mbogo ne warga kene nang India la ba tokran ba le yo gobje ke ngu ba lo yong ko ngi yo ne lo lu jo ki can't even sign the letter and like I mean ngu ko le le what you gonna do it's a real problem but I guess society that ba ro le ba ja no
Don't go con muy both go both the jala which share when chi resource natural resource kala very important
that's right
yeah
that's
me
right
both that the jala jaga go you
yeah
know me yeah natural resource me go go both mo go to talk la to the jala can go
exactly
natural resource to go to the both that it is
and then lot of
yeah and
it's hello
Mal ji Australia.
yeah they long
Atuka
internet Africa you copy
jen tatin gaja.
okay can my
Yeah.
sorry can my local Kenya
Selere. Shaba kamal.
yeah
Wala ci buni na.
tiang cái này cái tiang ya ta đi wa ta ba ki
Wow.
yeah
Pai ne keru no.
yeah
Yeah. Ci loy da ta sai nen.
go along yeah che yen di al ner nyok ya ko time da la pe ya de kon program dan de kon so program dan ba de kon introduce kan ya kon de pin de bitan ko chagor ko to lin with which is dara nin je chagor ko tong nora ko ra kon tong nora che ju ko jine dia long kon to lin no ban latka ko yen ne den gwe gane man ba right ke kui de wale kui ko mugwandien chi Christianity che non kono kana men dien chi Christianity che non kono rei society ga dan as nori ngu men gwan chane jek ko chane Christianity jek ka ngu man dong chi je ko kono ko chane Christianity chane jek the main goal kan ke objective kui society ga ko kondi algor kono society dan da go adi shape area leka the non char dipti tin man ke char wandi ti go re ja bana na ji ko chane no society we je society de bulu gwirindi jen kul te char tono no da shi de religion da te tet katen to ko ta ci ti daro ger ge je ti je no ke dong de ri de te gwado dien che de lo ko ti de to kanen gor kono bana right no wala anara an boyo mala be di lar wam ka comment section men la charu men gweji yo gor je bo bi changte mi chine lari o modong bi ju gor ki dong mi logi ka men chalo dong bi ci cha religion do attack bi dinu palwai bi ngi ju boyo jiram gwi ne yo ntam ba floor ba kam kan mara dang raw bi ka rodien la die bana kulo wa ka men cha right ko ne damel bi you to panom bu ko ko thank you
Hello, malam gua yen idea lang baik ni. Chưaได้จอดแล้วพนมกองท็อปจังในออสเตรเลียวันนั้นไหมได้ในแคลกันดามันนั้นนี่ก็รอวันนั้นไหมเส้นทางไม่ได้ในจะเป็นก็ออสเตรเลีย so ได้เชิงก็ออสเตรเลียก็รุ่นเดือบาลก็ว่าเรา right now but กว่าได้ยังเต้นยังก็อีเทียเปียยันกว่าจังก็กันแบบ so would just say thank you ก็ดามันนั้นก็รอคุยจะ platform ไม่ใช่งุน today โอ้บุคคลเจ็บปานright to peace society and I believe it's very important discussion ka kon ideal wo ban right to peace doaran nguni wa je to chi lo ko ben nga kon ke ko the pal kon re christian de je we dan je be ya emete ti je ya to nguni emete to go ri je nu to nguni so I would just say thank you to like that the long discussion
Go she like that as discussion me ba. So chala kong kai ta ka hadis and was me ta don gorga kamade kan lat. So that mean I'm really so busy. La de ke tiang ba gor grun wang. She like that as ba ko ban na ban je discuss very time like society dan. Society to me kutung wana pack charano one of them da religion govern da society dan pack ja kan tin go tin no ka ngudo kono la da society ngodo kono modo kono ger in that case charai bo mas ki pida kor ko me cha to ga lo chen charai ke Facebook then dong chen bura ja lo wala ko chen ngak tun wan ba sa kalat but yeah yin chira na ma cha lo kon kai
chagwa long bana what directly to the discussion ka topic dan chien goro bi to yen bia chula neten gwi yen ka ten go ten shalon ne chane je ko chane Christianity chane je titel lure te ka dana sun war community che kana tamma ba la pin che ka Christian kaya ko ngu chane je go mutal ko kon no wal kon society ni chalun war to ko naga ngai ko no da chi pai kon ko to ngai ni ko chi Christianity ben ke ngai kon no wal ka kariya ten kien cha introduce ko kon to ko ku ko tetel ko kon no wal kon wari as a society benefit in challenge in term of discipline, in term of unity, in term of economy, in term of culture. The top being which you discipline the talk discipline as society, discipline as family ni ta anti family ni keje which are yalla kamo one cái chiang chok te dia ton bien char kun bien kun pi be aro dun chu loy te na ga tan de yero ling dit bang de kam ye o nga de wo ken nyam de nga ko bor de yero meling ye dangro
Okay. Galang Canada man and a kong we had a bit of a chat earlier about so me buy pinny your name bewa art and boss well yo so talk a point it no down one man so talk a point the chop a bucket actually de la do ke benefit nigga Christianity but can yam go to the introduction not or the men mun ke pito the kata nong ke Christianity don't da negative ke society no problem ke so and men to right now came in good discussion no actually she did ka coordinator anware be actually there are many people that are online to la right don't they would African name don't la name online la Christian la mala criticize upon the Catholic no and then now he's turning back a traditional African religion in Palgana no so resistant me they chop right now we have some individual te la nan online te la do Christianity cha counter chiamagwa and consequently cha video de medan ma cha wi ba me shi record ke time ji Christianity jebala rain wari so the t the dong la we ke negative impact to Christianity no one of them that is here dagan chi ba to kam no wari can look lat and chiben so most people go Christianity cha kon laziness you and me palgana ko chala chagur and so forth the alti we don't care negatively but like we personally to teach Christianity no more go message Christianity ka mean like ka Bible and mostly mean the personally Christianity very Bible Christianity and don't European go these things are very two different things you don't want to Christianity criticize they only know Christianity may know European. She can aid on Quran the Lanu the Bible, the Bible is a society that they share. So Aramishung be Christianity come at a Bible, not just European Christianity. So problem little and time to write what they've been getting on and a time to gonna receive a con in Jan right what. Number one and Christianity may no con European Christianity no politics no and they go to become subjugate be become colonize be we done become brainwash be the resource no con become now that's one problem so you can Christianity no and then again ku ling wa mi chi quan ta ro che ke chai pat chue du the ram de ria cham is like why but can dia con pat chue dan da con ko ria cham dan di we should fight with them so cho ko let chi ka con ja ka nyon bi ka we dan ko la mai che dan well na sure kind of talk. It's true that talk. Just slavery, slave trade is talk. That talk. But I need to know. See a Bible. See a Bible. You're gonna misuse. They misuse the Bible. Go boy, you're a point it in the Bible. They tell a Bible. Madam allow. Just an idea. Quit slavery law abolish about which a Bible may use can by slavery about law which. So see Christianity. Just quite a lot. And out there, I work on a Christianity very done. Can con Christianity no go but okay impact and la done. So tradition that con de lat con nuere is very strong to the point mission is a culture is actually a religion. So religion me so strong can con Christianity no go but con ger ke siang ke ten bok especially Bible so con jaku ba week so con chiang con no one so con ke keep and then Christianity the tell impact God the island of Christianity are practiced in Kawade, the society again. So I would like to go can benefit into Christianity and no con. Charity again the main thing to again. So number one they talk a dual gora. So you done one who con God a value, name it con online and tell me. I think the mission of gora that away me don't con online. So and when gora they way done here in worry, they no a missionary. So quite a lot of people down in the corner don't by first time you are a language writing system me wo bana gwar ka thong no ra me ku je develop a German missionary mutually Dietrich Westermann and ku je develop in 1912 to published around 1924 one of my shoe on to the written language to a Bible to actually translate ka thong no ra me me shi gwar you to can missionary dia le chi ben ji kon nge ga gwar ta kon nge ga to ko wa ni ông đã có là khi what the point ở con qua ngay kia con tôi có ai nữa ngay so đã con chủ đã tôi đàn well when you gonna come con whether let cái này cái đua mà qua kia đua mà gì lúc cái con của con interact with the rest of the world chẳng hạn như đó mà cái gì cái Ethiopia you know chỉ có audience là the like chỉ có audience God from everybody she gonna go with the interaction with the rest of the world she a benefit, she a mugwa, okay. Actually, check out there in more way. Then that Jaku bigger win more than beginning to be talk a while look on go ban interact with the rest of the world fine. But we can't communication go so call them more a content. We're not just a localized people. Time at a con globalization, with a con we more care you. Hello interaction date then. I'm a look a con. Guarba look a con ko whether a culture and God con opinion, or Ching Dialen Kokian, they have to be written down, written history, take a loan medin more powerful than Melat Kanajato. So the thought they had a positive impact, which are known education or Banagua. Can Jala let go con? Here Jala major ben, a Janona known called religion, now can it work very well, but tell a Guaria come con. So challenge a Kawaii, she been major con Nungua. Another thing into Christianity, you know, second point, there are human right can justice. And I don't need one there a shock. Human right there Christianity, you know, and human right here society like a human right. Most of them a democratic society, enter democracy then, especially need a human right by promote the America then the British and people in mainly cook like English language in the world. But me to work a country in it, communist China, Russia, and all of that. Take a go in a United Nations all the time with human right. But a human being, who can let a right, they can now take a chungadi. Make you where chung the tea buck and society bang. The jago history run we mon. It tells you the opposite. Or chungati chicken buck which are because some culture has actually tried because certain group can connect. We can get like a right. You can get one which Hitler, Second World War. Which a demo use it take a virus, infection. By winning a society, which will time Milado by use the albac and neck. That mean tell like a right, tell like a chung. So a chung at all, chicken buck a government, chicken buck a kume, chicken buck around Karawade, Kukala Benica. A word teach human right. What another chung. What can Kapop? What can the Bible actually? A Christian religion. Christian religion is na chakake chatko chake in the image of God. Me chak jike chatko that means your life take a value. So even from the beginning of the Bible, Genesis be jeta where Ramoriam ran whopping, Bariam de whopping ko ran chaka chatko. So that means I been like just an animal. Tige shuang. This thing bo jaga jiku be justice niam kume. Yeah. Struggle eventually, then let's say that one young pum because you go target wrong. Why should you have right? Why should you have right? Can't you to one the reason we are equal before the law. Humanity bang. This is actually a Bible-based reality. Religion Islam, Buddhist, Hindus. This is a Christian value, bigger Christianity. You can study that.
And human right.
Human right itself, because human beings are made in the image of God, yes.
Okay, can you something natural?
Natural.
By the time done manager, Labane kept context done. Me chung to be like read long, or go corner, by the time done, Bane keep a go.
Yeah.
Me in human right, they she been already been jerk or by human right by respect, they she become a talk which Christianity burger, tell a kind one chicken human right, you can teach you Sharan Benek, Chaduran Bokal, Chamobile branch ching a lot to talk that shit the kind one.
Okay. So, in human conscience, we should understand the quality and take a basic law to take a society in ideal. But me work a society in the way mondial. As far as the human being, I can get right. When I share, when I can get quick should okay, right? So, we believe, we should I can go better more than right? And then I can kill what do she and we get him a okay. Okay. There is no problem with that. They done. They know it. We don't have issue with that. And while Miss Wadashi in the name of justice, they want to do one instead of about Guru, I mean Nagran point there, don't ban known before the law, who Jaramen take a dwell. Okay. You go to other things as well, whether a treatment and cook on women, cook on a treat in our culture itself. There are one there, let's say, Yamaka force a one go back when a woman doing. I have heard so many stories. I've known so many stories. It's like Nyala Dwike about Negabalu just because logo back when a woman doing. So you could come up with many examples. Yes, you don't just go around killing innocent people, bang, but Michi what deeply the culture and be no surface. There is lack of respect for human rights or human being. Right, ni can get right into the come get the chicken right need to don't put on where you cannot do this to me or talk a chung. To take a right to quite determine a society, because that society can get at any time. So we know this like generally practice it is to rain where let's say here who God them a can simple as that. People now to different clans where we are with Dorun Yok by you and Neck Bang, Bakwamaj and all of that. This is not a law done we don't quite human right quite respect. There are many examples to sheer law, we don't they know to the justice she ran she a bomb and therefore so I don't see that in real practical. Don't that one another in our brain, but it's not reality. Personally, yeah.
Go tell go to Beijing trap your Beijing come in Guajetan and they go on or go with them.
Okay, sure. Feel free to interrupt me or go. I'm going to go to the next point. So, first point here cover education.
Yeah.
And human rights.
Education. She can't agree. She can't be debate long.
Yeah.
Go to one to control Gorka local
yes.
in Ethiopia. Or
yes.
Originally, in story, local Jalakel Kuman.
Yes.
Tired walk on the Ken King to on the way around or at home lock on week about boy Paniko. Jenta weekend get made that. Jabun to walk up to meet Yakum, which a secular government may have been established. To build Gorban Benting Benjal free from religion, from church. Allow we mean more. There is a time we don't control Gorgon education. You know, Chadem and deny you can benefit Jack Gorgon Christianity. Your book on humanity, government. Humanity take a con care humanity but the talk like a human right take no one go con or charan banapam take no con no mishran take a consequence until that walk by Japan but what can be brand equal aramla jala brand no waran chiro ko many time bokan upon many which Christianity ben Christianity which Japan is go shiran you go ni look any suran or am Japan is your government let kuma no more chilla. The same moment in community that made and one can involve. Commissioner Diana Diana Kai, then come not big problem because so. Allow no made and a human right which are on, but next thing Shirano will meet and can worry over, will charge you good, principally done. In your butchon, Yin and chicken a got chak and neck. Like human right, Larry, Chicon Bubin Christianity. And they go to the correct no more. They work.
Okay. So, can you show the content raise? So, point and just mention go and tell me who you lot of okay. To talk again, then example to go in where, but which you work at time, Danilana, tell me your rule. I say, general guy, Jack, or guy, joke here, general, and more when it the moment I say, yeah, ruler. So rule that in. It's almost like charity all your right. Chicken stop. Like people actually would kill you cái chẳng trả cho nên cái là that I may be open in your justice like can you ultimately why do we have right as human beings and what I can't get right to the more in why is that the case that's the question ko and I mentioned now the check ko agent can get right but to know why would they say it can't get right let's say why is that a problem you see
yeah allow and no more in terms of take a while gonna take a meg take it to dare to get that and where it will be done tell me shall baran neck ba tell a gat chingat ka kon wari kano baran neck bang but walk after Aspeli which movement it's a true to Kaira ka Sudan after civil war of Sudan agent to problem the alto in area you take a match now they get to display the chu kwa cheje idan di gen ga tang na ga job di benere ga ja di ben ku jema di gen re ga ja wi na Sudan di jal tang take mi shwale jal tang di woto di mit di jal rundi ji nam de nyota doctor am na gra ka tay mi dan kada di alti big of talk after me ci cetege rebellion ti ben kajen time ci Christianity bo ci ben gaje still man in term can cry ku kan mu kan increase road man ta mu raga kana tell me ci Christianity change kan den gas na ga di alama tane diga guiti kan ga ciwo tla ga James ni Peter ne na kana antoto je no gore jone de kon anyo bonen Christianity kan human right like gender equality ni Bible cha lara Paul wonan jin wa che ga ngi ngwa bitka che gudi ni wichwa law che kana title to lead according to the Bible che which mean tell that kan culture dum war che na jen kwa le jong me da no na mu cha na jego mutel ko ko wai ni ko tira mitika kon ke no wa ko mu la je chu ko wa chu ko kan no war no wa chu dom no wa lo di ga dum ramadon wa lo di to so yanan ka define ka natural law chejen ka natural laws the Christianity ko ki ne ku believe in Bible but can lele ka what Moses to come ka Moses share one down well apart from Sabbath cheng lonka gentle ko kono kada personal bo medan ci jin panom mi ci la ja point la chu la ja go belong te ko work ku long no mo ko de chang ran ko bu point chu gnu lo jen ko kala mari won ken gaje medan ko Moses ko le legalize ne ko bi rodin yena ko medan ji Israel widin buma ma ka te ko kut ken to wan bur ken ka ajen ta mo jen ko goro ko no ne me take something unique yan men Bible me sha ko ke le tell me apart from sure we need Israel can sure na di Europe ten kon chalta Bible can story dung Israel apart from total Corodian ko cha Jesus cha da ku biara na lu ku biara na na bi tell me did ko what inshallah da yen ka kare te ka me di chen ka chiang mo go me di te lu chi ko me dan ko kon ko society ka dan no gat lu to kwan kana man ne ko kon me dan tam intelligent tam discipline mo ka ci Christianity ben la gat me dan ting gon jungi bu nit bi wu ko lin right kwan check lu the children would bo no go child no go check de be yi tweet ba all this in terms community dan bo me dan ting unity change ben actional invader me ci ko ben invade la ka rodi na yalla ka me dan inte te kam ne kien na ka ro kan wala kan ka pel be kan wo cha na go ni actional body no mo je adam ta daga dan woro na ku jima wo war no man na war no ku all this can dial jetel discipline ñoo ko chana cultural look ci ndemen ci wor ko dial chana gapel ma ci wor chor ko chana pel chor ko na jaw ko to jibru bane chole yaw ko to jibru bane chole yeshu wan ko diene mi en choro di chole den ta ko de chagna chira ka mi yer jen chana ci wi no kon ba chana ka ger law we are erasing our culture la culture ko ko genocide ka do mo ken ko na ngati katan gweje ci ndemen kon chana ni ti victim tel ko kon ci am tele kon medan kon wori tel ram ya kon medan ba dama ya ko ngu di ala to ken ku ngad mo le benten no yo mi ci to de demanda no kon
kong man do men la me dem go la I will come back but ben go the point la
de larmatot ke jen point chiang enderan ching de chuang ke je before Bible kanu kriya da ben riya yo mi panom je to en nga de je ke dio je scripture ba nga de je no chiang and there and rod yen keje even before Bible nget te karan laran cha dap ke natural law ngai mi je ngai mi go I mean chi bai wura ku de ba na mo mi kon ka rom ka bai rom wa ken ne ideal whether ke jus ki ke jur tiken ke chiang ngon re lo ne ken o chura nek chu kol chu dom tara mo kuje dap kran lo ngai je men kula different na dan da ka Christianity o le lo kudran la bana loge ko be ka bana fala re te ke de kan to but tele ka chi andan na mo di ngaji nagrani je ba di ranak ngaji je ga di ranak ngaji dum je ga di dom but men kula different Christianity sin jane di ngaji nagrani je ga chi ranak na la to ko ti ga men loge mi ko de bela te loy yeno kon yeju la gor ka je ke jan tam me ala no ma chana je men differentiate ngay kon justice ta kon dab ke je ba da kon atolicha in fact mitel kon ngoro ndam ke ti ya mun da kon ne di ci kon de human to talk but mit Christianity then ba kon loko ba kon ngoro to ba kon ka afalai I know place ke dia ja ba amazon ke yat ci ta ka jolin dangerous societies ci ka society mi ci chicken chiang la chiang na tam kan na mi ci wu ku den be ken cham ma wal mray kon ci naw ko den tam ta ko gol there was a time chicken na kon na cham ke bot and then chicken continue ko tele chiang ngon ku ko guide ya la to a chang ji mi jiek ina me mi jiek la le de mi tele Christianity again my point de ma tin ke jana me yeah kon number 1 yeah
Okay, I want to continue from there. Go to bad or bad, like she was she mentioned because she demanded a con reply back. Then yes, well actually she would catch a lot of which I got cherry not mutual conscience, human conscience. Then she may sabakula. That is true. Sabbath is very unique. But I belong by the issue at work in one can ride no con as human being and what the buck and then we buck and couple. And then they are above anything. But Mabakan Karan, Chedamichi Koran formula society. Mabakan Karan, Ram Motil Lanko Baka wait anytime. Kami Ajara Makuga create Baki Kuka apply, Dega Tolchewu, Charanche Pen Bilet could be a lot. So men are different Christianity, Chia gospel Makwalang Yeshu, Cheben Chebeluga, Quidwerina. This is very unique Christianity, Teleja in any other religion. So religion Christianity jo jina ko kono nong ni jike nyama jin kwan duere chagada jakobo liu ki duere ku betting mudora be nyoka jike ka lia yesu kan je the list and then kon dia la kon ga hope let's say that kon dia long kon be kon society dan be kon jakobwa that she was about here and now mutike liwe now today karwade taramada ro la bob the kerun right they you nga you me de yo je ko charan chanak ka de long de je ko cha bom cha mai chara de dien and then that would be good for me me cho you tomorrow I don't care about native below ben kor mo but me te ko kop me de tin me de nyal me kware answer to that god I will nga je wo the higher authority that mean taram abuse ko nga je wo chi wo ge karan but wo te kom no ge na me is lacking in any other society te ko kien chang ne religion te ko kien share religion me quite initiate ke ko no konat be ko che ku kon mi ba ke culture no re ke ku Africa ke ku to ku they demand things from people who okay be adel nak be young nak be ngun lel be ta del be ga to ko ko ye ko no chi Christianity ya ben to no chen ye no ko Asia ga lat no ga ye ko en ko no go aloy de ke yen ba ta yen ga hope ko te ga do me te ne yen after this life so this is something.
Huh? Thesis Christianity ko ji demand ko be well to ke be thesis be to.
It's not a demand. It's actually voluntarily. Tell the Bible what the police about Jack Dor making wal kutub. So when this is a generosity can it in lot lo mite cheta men let mission me go adame which I go be support me dan le ne de jwala ji bite. O nge na nge community ba ka jako big of cock re la de mo ba la den ba fan ba ko mo ke you Mishi Jago, she bit of tell the police like Jacobor, Bible, Kokini Walwal Kutub. It's not there. It's something that take place in the mind. So Mishi go to your Walwal, no problem. Hey, Christianity.
many can quote a wall bob. Tell Rami curb you bomb is up to you by you condition. No either brand to the material will move over you binamela. Agent. Lucky okay. One pen no more actually a debate go do non discussion and you benefit oriented society that. You can tell me one ko lot can Christianity. She had come and where you go Christianity take a bong to go. In now code and let. She had alone basically when Java ko but topic mission and welcome near or right to create. We coach society that check with nyuan ni te nge kare lwako la kana dia gwe ti dia le ba ko pal jo dong di pal ko bu kan je tejen dong di pal ko bu kan teru munaki be jien bu ko ko ter tejen la o mandi ti ko kana mandi la la jin on gor your physical kana men jalo na gor global the thought that is you can society done kind of kangajetam no more so we take a me work katan shalo the ngine loko ola dino nge gana bonto nyu don na der an nyu no na chirko shawe we chi ko da dum ndi chan chawe chwar dier kam be cham we jo kom nyal mi di ka yen go yen le yen di ka human being kan ko be chak chi gadit da chak cha moy kan get mi ngi ngom ma da mi je kan mo gwa chang no me wa ba ban mai ke o sha den kan e bi chi do ja cha no more another topic therefore to la kana de ja ke o bi ka lazy ko cha wona corona ba tero jin to talk let us see society dan she kana ka da kan ti to talk she ma la da long and I send you na for the religion dun for Christianity but the way you teach your followers go reject the care nyok tan ku yen culture dan ku yen thread ke je ko culture dan dem to survive under your teaching ko nge kana ko mutual chu buru jok me dan ba we jok issue mi je take a reason mutual je ne de to beyond teaching they are against identity who can identity who can erase to not go get sure many sure area ne to talk and the go reje no de kare ala ka sen my own analysis and je changai yimi ti lara apart from which I which I use to na ko bibiya ko kano sha wote ga wudu mu sha Allah adam kana e mi ti je ka heden kan jen jang kan jang na ko chu to mani chu wale the total ga ko kon me dan kon war tele gwando nan mi kon mu sha Allah adam kana e ko tele Jesus mi ngi kono na ne ci liwu ku yero kon be ka bible ke ajen la jididin cham no bible tutan wonde
de men chat no ngoma hiyo tulala
okay ajen no mo an be yo goro dingi de ga la ko ko ci ma de yo de yo ti kan profit ni ten te tam ci profit ni ten ci ban to roy ki ye ngula benefit de no mu chane je ka kam man ci kana contribute to society ci ne dong bay jo ke rap kom na ran min yu ko kom na therefore ngula benefit de mo ka society go or be you benefit ko da de nan profit more i duel wal wa de liu na ten on de ni liu da ka wije da panki wu ja ko no ju ran ka kom ma kano jubrane te karam tuji ko na ran tuji je ko do go ke konte wa go ra no mi jubrane tuji te na men ne ko be melen tata kana tayi wale te ko kora nyok ba ju moy ke liye mo bayi len ke je bayi jo bayi yir ke liye no mo de kana no pali pal ko no ko de wale ngane la wayi ke chen jegne ko la mu nyom pieno matini yo no pieno ko en cross and dan kap ke Christian ni derga kan area min wari te kon de la kap ke da wuti yang te la labdu ko an won mu ban ko bire bu yatti dam ci ko ko wari da ko de ko to re mu la re ko area ke jap ko ni ngak anyway en ko da mu wi te definition do ye wona ke juice ten ko do Jesus la da je le particularly mu la benefit mu chane jek ci kan propre de to mu ko contribute to society mu goro biya charu ko binte kana tan chalo tan ko kenten ngayen war the society benefit no tit from thank you
go to the lot tandin ke somehow fun ko ke current issues to ko on back maybe the issue of current profit teaching our work they be the issue medit I don't think mena like je verbally go ne ti yerken na society ko bi la kamna kabo kom ra lo te tomi to umbrana je kom ngi te da ngi je teno yeah there are people in the hospital to gather la to ngi cha ko je worst of all nang ke yo ne to telo teno na mo to take a chekel manan si right cha yo ka cha scam corporate kel cha yo ka cha kanang eder corporate policy and then they can medal policy can policy ke can go cha ben live show cha right yeah which cha yo ka cha kanang corporate titung wan teken ten take me lana je la very fun te lo mo ja ko no den ka tiang mana corporate to right biyo bi panji jam kun nian wang kun so yeah we were very serious so one kon nian go ne gudi mut sen ala tok so yeah si chapal jo ko jam kun check ko to la real mi ben re je ben ram kel na ti ga ji jo ji re to la ran kel mi sa ji jo ji tel pui chora niam ka top ni ko ken kan le pui to no I would see there are real issues mi jinu bi gambel ka tok lo ko ti one la wi jegi 5 minutes block ko be jek 5 minutes dong block ko be jek ka lu ko do to bul wi ani cham to we ka Monday Tuesday Wednesday pal na ni cham to murai ran ta me jakon jakel lesis dia waje da real concern me lerode ci jen murai ran ta me ko na scam da real concern me lerode murai ran pen na dan aren gam det ne ke ichun ti chiran kenen la tok te leroden point ko la wone ala christianity chana ngi ken to kula rek ton tam doran chi ngi christianity no ken it chi go be nice come in the name of Christianity. That's what I want to be very clear when in which Allah yechun kwala gor chal ke je ngedjen ala mi cha benen ka Nazareth ji dorin kan wa chi jan ngedjen dan garam ni jana to kala ka Nazareth wo cha tam di long che spend ka business compared to ministry te gurun jen dok de dok ni yechu tam bi liu te gurun jen dok de dok but then chi lena jen gurun nang dok rode to run dia ala don nang ka business gwan as a carpenter ka jen yechu rai kon pida ndam to let me it ramechit ke yechu en bible pointing ni jana mi kon nyok len mon cho won tej bas mon kwen chi yechu ko ta jona atar ramla chan raidin atar ramla chan jo God Israel ka to mi kon God Israel ta ramla chan ken dia let kala so in fact me chikolo mundian ka 1948 be pin ko ngai kon Israel mun mi chia doslet cha dak sin 7080 kugol bol mun ka 1948 rone chikolo mun chuken mun mukut mitala agriculture chuken auto galat entamani kiti ti mana jen ke jeme university ani rangor agriculture la kana ke Israel bikin intensive den kana wala den ko ken ne tin la very advanced ke technology agriculture so ne it la bible ka how did that make can learn along ka what the same religion each kon men jak lazy these are the things to go to kon tar sana menen kon ka wudi chala fall tana jogano miram lok la da chamit la ram lok la da chamwe kon point pol apostle ke jur ti chet la jur di alta kon jarami shibin ngi rar ne out side of Israel pada gan mi lal jel ke machinde ke makana da ko ye ke bi ne be yo jek tin chana blo mo gare gore da kwanda lo gor kan edin jo ngi can you see that ramishit ke Paul ramishit ke ye chu God Israel kalat along again part of Christianity so Christianity religion monoglat ke American right konon dame lakin you to 1.7 trillion dollar a year they can contribute ka American economy can Christian so how did that the Christianity da munum na talat dia wajah coba problem ke society ko konon me cha Christianity cha ben youth ala something then na scam something bu ko ray ku ide and again ana larbo ana ran be fa de betek ka gor book guru yene di bita biajalin cha gor ko bum barar concert ga en pa me melano do all kind of work that are available cha issue that relate to Christianity ba cha address to nene Christianity mo de often lo ta tin da ka tiang na ngi ka pilat o tan lat lo linkana to mane kon bo mi atu ga lo mi ta tam la lo ko guru di na we tin vigila negative ba ka link Christianity ka very often ba ka link dia je chit one is camera at this time to the long to about you know chi jem chang Christianity ka na me to mu wa ka chang kurbo we da rande te ka self defense kana ngaji lo Christianity je in self defense la o de jenak normally you to ko kana ngaji ni Christianity je ken Israel murai konon tre ko ken ke jip Palestine yo jam malin lo tan ke re jogom pai we ta ke frene ti Israel ti lawo kor bigane ban update ke tan wo kor ke je zoom na ne raj jo ken e kor chu boda me ken e tu wona kor pai ke jinga ko let ken self defense ken ke jogo chwa self defense chwa kalat again ban European tin chit kon ben Christianity ken Bible on talk ken ji Bible ka da kon man daga ma I would agree with European tiken ka agenda dina ngai kon me ba ka mundan and then let can colonization go can resort kon can exploit and then Michigan Christianity use as a tool de la de kon on je de European de ko do de kon ko real Bible la do the Bible in relation to work, in relation to self-defense and all this. Mukoben ka point about issues that relate to benefit, and I would agree with all of you. Education is one of the benefit. Michi Christianity in Hong Kong, Chen and Kabidi Kel to Galo Kladuto Gek Advantage. Similar. I don't know.
The school Kuya.
Yeah, true. So I would see that Christianity, whether it's to Adventist, whether it's to other Christian denomination, and then something we can agree a benefit medit. And then we can work can wale, we can benefit education to go when I know. Nene je la conflict management something more dot Christianity wala la men to ganta ka society dan man tin makur chicken gondin chicken grilling along time right corner ala gondin de kula conflict management committee de kan mal de kan no che pakcha killing and am ke shi go job kan te wal then kan ko goran all this kind of thing but ne je Christian to ngod ko rul midit ko je fele ko ne tin tin kan ne ti chiwo ka chang re man killing
you find interrupt like need we tell the pin de share ko be she manda na ko ken je na me chi do na ko kondang jok do nan dia de share ko continue sorry
good. So nene je kan pastor ti ngai chang reak chigo gwar ke tika lwa ko lwa kan ko na long da ma ke ritin to kre no are ne na je ne chuna wo ka mai wut ke chuna wo ka nasir ke dio chuna wo ku ba ken kristi ne sige jal kan gwana to ne te chi ga cha ko wa kel ke chi kur to chi tok ales potam ne na je something mi ngot practical and tam ko can Christianity logo kon all those conflict tin tore no are ko mu kon pal ne ti detail la kon la ka tu tam choroger ala tam to continent me kan tam mi de gondi ni kon tu cha something different ala tam mi dan gondi ni kan it take experience kan it ke kan ke len kan na to mon but this time and me jin wari chi ben wo chi kon gondi ni kon len to mon kon len ko gor kon long chang re mi kan non kan chang mala cha ra dien cha ling chorolat che got cha ngai tin to dong chen bil men chen wo chi kana one but cha ra dien cha ling long compared to Christianity especially pastors they lare they matin la ala one thing me na ne benefit iyo ke the central point of Christianity chang mi shi kan te wala yo ala central point of Christianity wo be ji lok ku gur chang na to go be ji lok ku gur chang na to go ajana ngas ne kon Christian ala Christianity something mi di mi shi ye chu chang hat Latin ngaji na wen go ke because long ka fly re take do tin ngaji je kana wen because long ka fell re take do ko watch ne dia chika pa na chek ngas ne kon krisi ni watch ne dia chika pa na chek ngaji je kul je ka ngaji je dum je ngaji je nang na je ngaji je shuore je ka but then cha ko long gure ke chiang rana ba long lat ki je ngai kon ga chiang war medan ne te ko na jal ka lewa ne da tam to mi ci nyal ci bay leer ba ci rukul yot ke loj ko na linga no ma ba ci rukul yot ke loj ko di beje ma di ko la fal ba ci christian to ko na la ngeji cha la jonu ci rukul loj ko da wore du ci bila tok no de lo yonu ci rukul loj wana je na no and I would agree with you
wangu munang juga dari kamera
That's an analogy. I shared one of course, so you can't take it literally, otherwise that one you have enjoyed it.
Ala rami ci en kunay la pal wollo de tok la ceng rola ka long ko be ka long la de te kete but then menen kon christian la ti jebo ci ne ga kon christian ko ngay ne ci ka ne ideal la christian to ne ideal ci ko wollo ko but ci ka ne ideal ci ko ke jen christian te ray ne kuire to jen te christian te la ti jebo kenten te la ki scam te la ki ideal to kenten to le lockdown ne ideal la kala christian to go mu gor ko bi ci am bo that the central point ka Christianity no mo de ngot kam je ye nyok take a point to read in to go
There's a lot of points. I hope you don't mind if I jump in, but you know, in Western society, it's even thinner right now. I think they're teaching and get the authenticity to all right now. So we are dealing with a bigger problem. So society, I mean, Christianity, they throw it away. So Australia is a secular country. I mean, so even though who can principle the Bible, who can practice, Christian, that's it. So Michi Walker and Tamil Video, one of the main problem at war, Tamil, who can become men. Yeah.
Oh, and where they're gonna gang a palgora, ke go a lot.
Okay, let me just answer that quickly. Allah, Jeremy Con conscient, then we should quote the con Kamchara. Paul, you know, I see a lot of Christian people, you know, Chaitan, moi cat kadit, so even a Chaitan doing pain tonight and so many things. Chaitan sometimes tear in anything, I can get a deal cannot kill. He's there, don't get a deal away, Chaitan, moi himself cannot kill. The point over there, Chag religion, Chakanala dung yaka, right? Jana Jaka Jau, Bran, there be a wood, and then you think, hey, I'm just gonna do anything, to call the lie, just telling it without my brain. Like, take a problem into our society, done. The sheer Chaitan has nothing to do with it. Belcon Chaitan, Chaitan. Most of them carry on, right? Chaitame, me and young Kong, Kayo Gano, where's it? Or Mother Kong. Tell a point of a jitwell quality, but a big of a pal for me. and young kwang, right? I just need to see someone maybe a look about kwang ba pel maybe don't they put their pal ko ba mo ke ye boomer, but people will come each time talk around kwang we je te ne miam de. I just need to stop drinking it.
Exactly.
That has nothing to do ko so pal one thing okay, but action then is more important. Te chenda work ko the ke ba ko the teje ko guadin no when we table I know I have to wake up ko run ball. So I
Exactly.
think it's just laziness and you are more share pal te be pal obedient, but not everything about like a pal. You can share them with God, but doesn't mean because maybe no bread, maybe no jurai be chamajan, and that doesn't work. Change and take no much. That's the greatest
Example to
gift.
support your ngadi your people or what people or
Mm.
but they ran chetana they ran a pal ko and guji je o shibudom because the beju moy kaloy mudong mishibudom gaje
Yeah.
sheje ke beju
Yes.
kaloy mudong michibu kwal gaje ke
Mm.
beju leldi beju drive jen beju jahal jen
Mm.
sheje
Mm.
ti de toni kano na kujin shetani bi joira redi on na ma kan beje Canada society dan on na shaitan gorno bu pal bi jamba kula jieno ke gorno bilet ci ko na
Okay.
ci bu dom dara yo ci ran ci bu dom ke ci bu pal to me your responsibility ala no mo mi ci ko da kamji ci kam mentality mi ci ga no mo ko jin mi tali responsibility de chay be maga accountable beje kontamen de rewti ci gan woke milari yene ne ito ne yo ko be drive on ke te ron ke yar ko da loka kai chiga buto which mean that me ko dal ko mo ro la ko da mo telem de ko da maga accountable ke but ko che
Okay.
very clear che jogo na me jaga na magwa it's up to you to pick it or not to pick it
Yes.
allow no mo ndamo ko da le show na ko di i jen bla da mo la
Okay.
so ta am ni shirano ko la te bo na ne shaitan ko drive on ka
No.
brano jai
No, I don't believe so. I don't believe it. I don't lie. Jaga jaga so, alata let ke che tengen ta let ke koda. It's actually very similar. Share it. So, kod kan che they actually influence you. Bigger influence. Hello, men lel kene. I will be encouraged to do something, but Chetan is more of a force. Like you push rather than be encouraged. So, te mengap ke Christianity ke ye kod. So, she new ke je. A ye kod ko je empower ko be tin go ready like bigger like can obi tie ko kon more than obi tie ko kwan jeng but let's say in time array loi de che chagalo no ga nyine no ko ken let's say one of the weaknesses ka wu ne kwa lat ka wu ne dia mi chai yo go by choice be mo ka man down well to go the prettiest girl yes most men they would say yes I would like to have 10 girls which I do belong to share kel ke nong the man down well most men would say good a man down well that's the natural weakness with the wu ne right. Malat Christianity je wana me well no. I check wood can share kel, we can daro point kel. That's what Christianity say. But in time when you need that strength, let's say the people we believe ko the palke, she just a force with an bang, a real personal God, with a yantakamar kam duni and daro. So Michi Tejo Guadina, Michi Chak, and go along ko below them and you and a man, and that force go ben a mabalat. A yet Lloyd, she a put force him over to whether I sure while I knew. Don't take a tante then go influence as well. But Tejan ko men or Chen let it or Chen Gabella. But human will is there. Miss you could no, you could stop, you can go and do it. But I know what the consequence again, they're gonna happen. Stop. Kashi one young number with force, but ultimately decision to do Karwado in the end.
Okay. Yeah, chogwa. Ci kon wo long ci en ci mo ga tay mo ko bia cerkun bia ko kun pin ya ko an man nyaman goro ba nga general meni yen ko brana de religion you're right chondo palini ja palini mu mangedu mo no ne gwa ga tibdu right ci en as individual tele right mi de ran stop ke je ke de ran blim ke je chu ko de chu pal ci en de jala mala boy ke ngi kun wan ko ci en te ngi mission nen kada mandanu upel wal upel no ngi de tango like a family teaching tan ngi je family ke je no ga je lo but tan ko ngundeng challenge ke je ka te ke ne ti followers into gure so there are la wundeng a young mi chapel jikay che bare lo ko gwam metal dom de in follow ke chejan yang no de in follow na ka gwam me jen guru Jesus mi cha na ke che man ni ji juice cha look man ni wala ci kan ko ci kan ba en Jesus riude no wan kan juice wala de mo kan Jesus goro da ro kusin krode jeni ji ngun ngade ngunden che gai jo kan lo ki ji kan kan lo che ko ko wi le ko mi de ku mai nang na chi ni tu wan liu ka ko nyal che na nek lo che na nek ne nyoj ni tu wan che ko mul che kan nek lo jin whenever me you judge other religion che then you need to be fair enough che kan nek ma God che order ke ji kanan cha kan nek ji Israel che kai gan Israel kai gan ji Egypt ko chi ga ka ki pare lo na Nigerian ji Egypt kai jen ku loy paro Jehovah bomo bo che jen che kai gan kai ji Egypt che kan nek allow therefore jin wen be mu ku religion are den challenge you must to see yourself first religion be go ji weidi chen la my concern my big concern ka religion ka ngi ne ci men ci alar ala pu ngi ta ro ko ta sha no go je Jerome ci continue wani kana matten men ji Jewish men ta me ci kan Bible ci kan accept kan ta ya ci jen Bible da man ta gor ko tora Moses meda ci jen cha tu kong cha ko matten ci ne bre ko kunai men tam ci influence ni ci ko bindu ci ko bin contribute ci politician de be medan ka Europe ko gor ko no bi wi mon colonize ci ga dunia tore ko ci kan Bible ci kan no mala dem ba ban kar wi na ko bi kan discipline ci bi kwen ci mala yang bari ko ci bi kwen to to kan di alde kan okay ci Christianity ben man la nga de jene men di din ko kon diel Christian di je benne kon wan ka lo ko da ci kon bla je par Christianity ke par religion no mo is against human right too ba do ngi ni kon real na ka ngi na chana te time go bana ga nangi ko yana bana let there is the time you ko let shaitan ci kono bogang ka pal ka wade shaitan bana ganga lat ko mu yu pur ga bel ci ga bu gi kwado dien be mit ko kwanchen cheje dul goro ga du bilon ko bi pay tinyu wadi altin ten gori bi ka tu bi ka lat cheje mu ga du control bo bi jogi ci bo ka ngar ti je ke tin nying ti ci ga taye yena ro me dan de ko changa do gu tor dom je o ci loy de bi ko run ca goro du ramu dom goro du no borom ko du no karwade o wode bane ger galat be gadu ngi ko ci bu gor ka nyaraado dien ke shira do ko jene te kon me dan kan wara gad jo yega te ba muy green light do wara bu ko na wan mi ci mi kan kam ko ni ci mo wara ci wo ci nyaraado dien ci wo gor ci jan ngi ne to goro bane yalla ka Israel te ka ngi mu ko I used lan ngi ni kenan ka ko ngi ken ga very clear te ga time ko ki ko mi ci ran be nagaji ti ka right ko program ci dul gor ken ken dial dul ku ken dial te ga dul gor ci tam men gor de ko ngi ci ga bel dial o an lo ko be yi mi ci dul gor ko ci to ko ta ba dul gor yi te ga ko la continue ji wene be metel ko lo ko mi tan ko to ke to ban jog dan wala no de kon dul gor na ñoo contribute de la ñoo ta que non ne de ko la ñoo jien de ko mu de dul ko de gor ka mo da porga man dul gor mo de tan ga boarding school de ga rane de no de ga bi ngi ko de ga discipline ka de ga ngi galat to kan dial de na guir society la guir mi da mi shi ga min te kon ka Christian nga de no Christian youth for peace and development chejan sin me ko kan establishment in terms of finance take ka resource kan ga ko nan ci gwa kan take capacity but nga bat ken me de ka kan from Gambia me de na mata commission kan kana ko benda do ni yo bana jal bana yo jina du njok na to kira de pin ba nyong yo do jirun bana jige ka adu na ko re je chan pala ko be economic oriented ko lu ku ne tam je kan ngo me galing lin do ko take income de ko generate karwa de independent pastor lo ko take la dara outside and then lo ko ni yang CEO take a huge board meeting take ngone take ni ri chak latin specific people run it bene ko kin bi ko le ra tam man to we dan ga gambel o men ten cha cho kin nak ki cho kin liu ten men jon ko chiek men they are not weak physically Corodian. Spiritual about they are not strong. Which ye which lock on my take then let get the other pellet lock on the don't bring the material go to. No, they go run business like this. Bupal who could hear you be with your wisdom to Muriku. Cover the guy time bled get Jim Bugad who will being a co Jim Michang body take a one boat over your body to a lot. Allow upon yen and a corner banner, Durban Dangalat. Durshabang Palmer of the Kadian Jimela, why Shaitan would. Shaitan Chedem Rubang, Shaitan Mentama, Shell, Room Challenge, take a time in your banner discuss with Shaitan and Go to Japan Laro in Nenocon. It seemed like near Quantum they are dealing fight against Shaitan, who can go limited, form the limited. Kadupton Ken Jaganaga Kato. To talk, a canon Wejade Banner writing the Changrodian. Yeah, me take a medon mederan mat the young boy we had a kambang, so me sit on them can at the sit on them can not million to talk here. I mean,
Pana just shortly, I'll just say something quickly and then Damana Combo. Like on a topic that race, I really like them, like that to go along. So, continue the theater boy, and the attend Queen a Bible, then we see a white audience. Rudian one child queen one. I'm a person, Mila no but will understand and Chen accept the door which are gorbang. Yes, neck on to one, Charai quote time is understand. They garage door will play a Facebook, they calculation, and I jaro nyalishi and I jaro nyal. What about we want? The point focus Christianity is not just about take Mudora Karade. It's actually about this life.
Exactly.
This life we can see take okay. So it's about here. If you don't know what to do now, she tell me, Minana do one thing the wang, a kitchen ball look. Well, I know I want the generation on the album. It's like, no, that's the point here. Just chang on the alcara. I think you put the here, I'll do what you can do. Chimulen, more of a card or poor. Bijitiaga to be look the society be a change. That mentality is wrong. Where you sheer Christianity, where you is a lazy mentality, which you can defend Ganego can get a man turn Africa can you. Chikora Jigaloka con victim little Wakano con an ego can, especially refugee camp, is one of the big problems, which you can ya. We can know about long con an ego can. Chikon Yadan, Chikon, you will challenge at the Europe, and Metali Gobor. That means you can't think. Chiatamala, they don't want to get a guy, and they're going oh, let it will want to do them. Okay, Jeramichar is like, so what the problem? So what's the problem? The same thing. So this is the issue. We need to be self-sufficient people to long road and karo. But religion, practice. Practice religion is more important actually than just pala karade. That one pala pele, me you can practice that you can. That society don't get can do. Just like it did for society, anyone make. Even though they don't have the ritual, pal will call the mundiality. But take a practical thing you can come. So to me, advice can ideal and don't wait on Bible area. European religion, put it away. Think about the Bible religion. When Bible take a when I hear Bible, share book biology, read it just like that. Be a man with really. Book speak to a person. You don't need somebody else to help you. It's very, very different. Chị can profit nó còn chỉ cái đấy look at Paul then I'm just not back with the talk no nobody does that. I think that's a bit crazy. So I didn't de la no more. Any man nó còn ảo về con này chịu buộc xương.
Yeah, she normal path along chapter meeting la pitch take Nadian culture horrible Christian. Very horrible. La Canadian chit can quack live can roll nil. So the question which can want them. Only a pair. They're on good as been.
Exactly.
Meta along Abraro. So there's no need to postpone. So I think which one of my contract thin for the reason which are conjike. So the con let can one of the alternate con look economical, political, and sexual. And then can call the Larry Bay Chuck if the aluminum. So that. Daran kumalanang muguru daran da wiceng rol nel korad. So I think can misconception the alten guru benalatin ke a rule of everyone ko anything put aside to ko here the end on the latin. In that case discussion mo ko ka tin chi forward I think ban kon dia let do den cha cholo ji mi ke Peter chola kon
Nana con chak chưa đưa qua quanh giáo của bên rồi chia dân kia ra nè
yen ban tu wan ban ke wen tam mi dan chai shoot ji Europe cha kan do mala ke shoot yo ke chen chan ke ben ngaji te ko ti ti ngode la ban tin wan ban ke ita chi anyo ngi ni Bible la ngi yen chan do ji Europe te ke diu ran ko Bible the same in mi dan te ko mi ko wala la mi dan na ko la wi kan da do ngai wang mu tin bi de ma ta da melo de o tega kuna de la no komeda la tega tur la tor shi ten ja tur la ram char mi ja ko do en ping ram bol ja jog do kula kap tem na ni ke se na mo point nga de mi je ka te dul blang ne ji ngap kana te nyin ken ka ni jan tok de but finally in term de start ne ken many tana de mo Jesus picture na ti jen Jesus in a video no kon be jaji the important and I remember me dan chini film Jesus go pori ne ko ngi kon ma gambe lawa mo ko la pot ma do ngi kay la ro be ram ni do ro de ram ne je no ram te ke manu wala mu to kan ko ni na je law kon ni de wi mi ade ko ni jen Jesus bu jum de pot ke jan therefore we never miss get deal la ku ti dial ku ni bon ni jen bi ngajo ku be al goro ne prore ne kador ten wa kon goro society dan ko wa pui Christianity chadem ay 100% that take tin want to look but take individuals and human behavior ni chiang atin want ya ita me ngine chikana yar botang tan chanong be jabun mura kripti ko ken si pat kana ro bi shalo de na wo kwa ke te kan tin ti to general ante gara ko ko no mi religion de in mi society ya chwa long the time dan che ja che ban ro nyo mo the time wa mi te gram do mo ko ro ko join che da yin chen mi ko na ko on sare de kan e wa me do ra la yin wo pa le ja wo lo kun yan bo che lan sometime mi te time na wo liang wo there kwa mi con time kwa bale nyo communicate time de con said de kwa con dia when they should discuss a lot gram improvement yen mo yen ben ga topic no bi yen de yen no ya con right ani yo go ke mi tem da martin mo so ke general mi tem dor ban la ki man dan ko de ke bio su tu wan te ko mo dong tem da na martin ke mi sigare sum ga kan ko na ga bo de ran martin bo
so yene to bito dala rodun ka on set di book mi chale do all kind of work available di graph di kan ben concert charach about practical issues tin la rodun ka society kacha narit ka story mulun issue ni jene discuss ngor ka latin botel but along cha deal lat let to I think that me kono goro bu kono kwany nat and go to content goro banalet and then it has to be very hard work here so no more goro de kon dia bogo ma de kon je ko de kon let I think one of the reason bam ku society yar telat I remember there was a time I think runa rotation which kun til nungu ko ro me region cha dop cha gak chi rum chi ga chi kan bel tu and then I realized pandan gol nungu ro me region which is really very bad and when you chine je ka de ngwa de na tie me revo so we do very potential agriculture ke chalet I think to con potential in different ways so go ro ban let practical issues in the con pen lat ka na re bo mo concept ko mo barar ko di je na mata role nan di je ka ma thank you we'll discuss in to galore and pana
có khuyên mới có yên cho là liền gọi trái interrupt cái call nên bà đã nói mới liền yên cho đó cả
ya lenge joy
So, Delano, thank you very much. Yeah, this is just a beginning. So, take one along to the race to one along. I think there need to be a forum. Which again, America. Thana there and Christian the look bang. Thana there and Christian there and look bang. Both way it is. But our society need to have a healthy concept. The Queen of the Christianity has become a very intricate part. They are 90% of newer people, the Christian today. So it has become a big part of our identity. Avoid that. I think it would take a good dictator to do it. Yeah, I think that would not happen. Free society, well, you have society that allow people to think freely, to believe freely. A jealous society. So could not the challenge ni believe ni kia ni anta go along to ga mun dang ni right one day boko. We can a land mun dang when go jo why when Jesus is better than mun dang. So and I'm a go is about comparison. Don't take a point to go because you mun dang no while but if we can call it like a mun dang, who knows? So the deal is all about open discussion. I think that to go to lot get a free society. And Johnny, thank you again.
Yeah. Chagwa chilode te ke time sharia le kuma ko shalet kunpal yeno goro bu kon jik kanbo shalet kapal kumen dide let kona jene shala no one no kon dial ko kon gar society kana ma kon to business society dan chwana kula religion ni shu kula ben society dan is very important lao me society dan yar de kon la rin jega kami society dan benefit de kon la gwa therefore jen ku kon le nyuru ngwam ke jamu nyog yene dia le ngene de pingwam de la rich lo de te long ko shale kunpal sia goro bi amel la ne be link ran bogo yem ran ke ti brand inbox ke brand gorga kamen ngwam te ga damar bo mi ramkel ni mi sheti ko nan goro contact de chane jek de je te ka ngade kalwa ko jujus maran wida moy ke min chike tagi indan inshallah
I think I champ red, I think.
Yeah.
That number I can send it to you.
Okay. Yeah. And around for the con the albane positive brand mala chaka de kun gadi ti an big liang con liang con mi am dilo mi ben no for ban way yala benefit of media and for banaro banaro dan ngi do ban society dan ban la re lo de the time mi ko ay